So this is the Honda CB550 that I got for sale. It's got a new MOT, it rides nicely. It's got its sort of old bits here and there. What can I show you about it? It's got that exhaust on there, which is not a period piece, but it's not allowed either. The mudguard's in good order, the rear wheel rims are in good order. Or the wheel rims are in good order. It's got this on here, it's come off. See the front rim there is pretty good. It's got good tyres on it. The front brake feels a bit poor on it, but it's only got a single piston holding the whole bike back. But the battery's a little bit down on it. But anyway, you can see it's missing up there. Yeah, I think the battery's probably okay. I think it just it sounds really sweet. The exhaust is not particularly loud. Anyway, if you've got any questions, just ask. I'll tell you what I know about it.